Let us answer your seat work number 4.5, solving systems of linear equations by substitution. So you have your given number 1, 2x minus y equals negative 1, and x plus y is equal to 7. Now, when you solve systems of linear equations by substitution, you have to remember nga among the two equations, mamili ra ka og equation nga feel nimo sayon. Then, you are going to choose sa equation nga imuhang gipili, choose ka og one variable nga imuhang pangitaan og value. So, if you want to choose, if I were to choose, I would choose equation 2. Nganuman, kay si x ug si y, positive silang duha. Unlike sa equation 1, si y negative. So, kung negative si y, ini-transpose nimo to the other side, sa 2x, mahimo siyang negative y. So, naa pa kay process nga agian before siya mahimong positive. Unlike sa equation 2, si y, pwede ra nimo ma-transpose by addition property of equality to the other side. Pwede before or after 7. So, ang mabilin will be x is equal to negative y plus 7. Or you can have x is equal to 7 minus y. So, one check. Or you can choose to find the value of y. So, kung kana imuhang pilion, ang imuhang i-transpose si x. So, i-transpose nimo si x to the other side. Pwede before, pwede pod after. So, mahimo na siya nga y is equal to negative x plus 7 or y is equal to 7 minus x. So, let us now solve by substitution. So, we solve by substitution. Solve by substitution. So, kung x imuhang pangitaan og value, so you will have to copy equation 1. So, equation 1 is 2x minus y is equal to negative 1. Kung si x imong pangitaan og value, of course, si x ay imong ilisan. Sa may ilis nimo ni x? Negative y plus 7 or 7 minus y. So, ilisan na nato. 2 times negative y plus 7 or 7 minus y. Minus y, copy, equals negative 1. And then you simplify by distribution. So, 2 times negative y and 2 times 7. 2 times negative y is negative 2y. 2 times 7 is positive 14. Minus y is equal to negative 1. And then we are going to combine like terms. What are the like terms? Negative 2y and y. And then si 14 will be transposed to the other side applying the addition property. Subtraction property of equality. So we have negative 2y minus y is equal to negative 1. Positive becomes negative kung imuhang i-transpose. Negative 2y minus y, same sign as that. So you add negative 3y is equal to negative 1 minus 14, same sign. So you add, that becomes negative 15. To find y, we divide both sides by negative 3. So, negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1 or 1y or simply y is equal to negative 15 divided by negative 15 is positive 5. Therefore, the value for your y is 5. Next, we are going to find the value for x. Kaya human naman tagpangita sa value ni y. How are we going to find the value of x? You simply use the equation that you transpose or katong equation nga imong gipili pag kinaunahan nga pangitaan nimo og value. In this case, ang atong equation nga gipili nga pangitaan og value kay si x. No, so imo ra na siyang kopyahon. So copy x is equal to negative y plus 7. So, x is equal to negative. Pila man ang value ni y? Dara, ang value ni y pila? 5 plus 7. Your x is negative 7 plus 2. Negative 5 plus 7 is 2. Therefore, the value of your x is 2. Now, what if ang imong gipili kay y, ang imong gipili nga pangitaan og value kay y. So, si y imong gipangitaan og value kani imuhang gipili. Kana. So, still, you are going to copy your equation nga wani mo gihilabtan. That is your equation 1. And then, instead of x, ang imong ilisan kay y. Unsa imong ilis ni y? 7 minus x. So, you copy 2x minus, you place in the parentheses, 7 minus x is equal to negative 1. By applying distributive property or multiplication property of equality, so you have, distributive property of equality, so you have negative times 7, and negative times negative x. So you copy 2x minus 7 plus x. Negative times positive, negative times negative positive equals negative 1. Next, what you are going to do is you combine like terms 2x and x. Si negative 7 will be transposed to the other side applying the addition property of equality. So, ang mabilin will be 2x plus x is equal to negative 1. Negative becomes positive. 2x plus x is 3x is equal to 6. Dividing both sides by 3 para makuha na to si x. 3 divided by 3 is 1 or 1x or simply x divided by 6 is equal to 6 divided by 3. Answer is 2. Therefore, your value for x is 2. Tanaw na to kung pareha ba sila og value sa usa. Same ra sila og value. No, same ra. Next, we are going to find y. To find y, saan ganin nato para sayon ra? Dili na ta maglibog ang atong pilion nga equation katong gibag-o nato nga equation. Katong gipili. Dara. So, y is equal to 7 minus x. This time, we are going to replace x with, unsa man to replace ni x? 2. So, you have y is equal to 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Therefore, your y is equal to 5. Now, pangutana. Pareha ba sila og answer? Yes. So, bisan asa imong gamiton, same ra gyud na sila og answer. Now, saan na to pag-score? So, you give one check sa imuhang gipili nga equation. One check. So, wa nimo gipili, ayun lang chiki. One check. Next, one check for your, two checks, two checks for your value of y, two checks for the value of x. Next, we are going to write our conclusion. What is our conclusion? What are the conclusions? What do you think is our graph? Intersecting. One check. What is the solution set? Of course, kay bawa na mo sa solution set. Ang solution set is the value of your x and y. So your solution set is 2, 5. There is only one solution. What type of system? Sa tawag ato nga system, you have consistent and independent system. Pwede pod independent ra system. So, one check. So, pila tanan ang checks? Sa conclusion, 2. Then, 2 for x, 2 for y. 7, 8 points for number 1. Claro? Next, let's proceed to number 2. For number 2, sayo na kayo mong pilian. No? Kay, asa man diha ang pinakasayon nga equation? O, x plus y is equal to 2. Nailain. So, mura na yung pilian. Pwede ka x is equal to 2 minus y. Check ya po na. Or, pwede sad ka y is equal to 2 minus x. Okay na. So, we are going to solve by substitution. So, ang imuhang equation, nga wala ni mo hilabti, equation 2, imo nang i-copy 3x plus 4y equals 12. Sunod, imong ilisan ang kung kani ang imong pilion, x, imong ilisan si x og 2 minus y. So, you copy 3 times, unsay value ni x? 2 minus y. Pwede po negative y minus 2. Depende ra nimo. Kung giunsa nimo, asa nimo gibutang pag human nimo og transpose. Plus 4y is equal to 12. By distributive property, you have 3 times 2, 3 times negative y. So, 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times negative y is negative 3y plus 4y is equal to 12. Combine like terms and transpose the other term which does not belong to the group to the other side. Negative 3x plus 4y, di man sila pares og sign, so you minus 3 minus 4, 1. Copy the sign of the bigger number, positive. So, your answer will be 1y or y is equal to 12. Positive 6, mahimong negative 6. So, y is equal to 6. You have na value for your y. Next, we solve for x. Unsa ganito kung giingon? Pilion ang katong imo nang gipili nga equation. So, in this case, kani. No? So, muna yung kopyahon diha. X equals 2 minus y. Ma'am, kanina equation o equation 2, ma'am, o equation 1, pwede ra gihapon. Pero arita sa masayon, nga no, atong manglabdo na itong ulo, pwede man dili. Diba? So, x is equal to 2 minus y. Unsa man imong pulihan? Of course, naa naman kay value sa imong y. No, so pulihan nimo si y. So x is equal to 2 minus pila man ang value ni y? Very good, 6. So x is equal to 2 minus 6, negative 4. So you have now your value for your x. Value for your x, which is negative 4. Ma'am, what if ang usa kong gigamit, ma'am? Pwede ra gihapon. Asa man? Kani akong gigamit, ma'am. O, let us solve. 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Unsa gani mong ilisan ang y? So, kopyahon ra nimo si 3x plus 4 times, unsa gani value ni y? Equals 12. Unsa value ni y? 2 minus x. Applying distributive property, you have 4 times 2 and 4 times negative x. So you copy 3x. 4 times positive 2, positive 8. 4 times negative x, negative 4x is equal to 12. Combine like terms, you have 3x and negative 4x. And then the one that does not belong to the group, 8, will be transposed to the other side. So you have now 3x minus 4x is equal to 12 minus 8. 3x minus 4x. So negative x is equal to 12 minus 8, 4. Kay negative man si x, we have to multiply or divide everything left and right by negative 1. So negative 1 times x will be x. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. So you have now still your value for your x. Are they the same? Are they the same? Yes, they are the same. Next, we find for y. Again, gamito nato ang katong imong gipili dara. Kung wa gani gipili, ayaw gamita. So y is equal to 2 minus x. Y is equal to, unsay mong ilisan si x? 2 minus negative 4. Y is equal to 2. Negative times negative, positive. So 2 plus 4, 6. You have now your value for your y. Ang pangutana, parihas ba sila? Parihas dili. Parihas. So bisan asa ani nilang duha, ang imuhang gipili, pariha ra sila nga check. So let us now proceed to our conclusion. What do you think is our graph? Naa mo siya solution? Of course, kay naa may solution. Intersecting. What is our solution set? Of course, the value for your x, which is negative 4, and the value for your y, which is 6. What type of system? Of course, kay nag-intersect man, consistent. And dependent system. So just like in the previous example, one check for graph, one check for solution, one check for system. Next is 2 checks for your x, 2 checks for your y, and 1 check for your rewritten nga equation. So you have 3, 7, 8 points for number 2. Question. Let us now proceed to number 3. So number 3, Sayon ra pud kaayo no. Ang imuhang pilion. Diyon sa man imong pilion, there's number 3 of course. Very easy. Kanina. Di na ko mo solve og duha ha kay bawo naman mo nga parihas ra sila og answer. So ari ko ni x. Gusto jud na nako pangitaag value si x kay x nabiya na siya. So 5 minus y. Pwede po negative y plus 5. So using my equation 1 nga hilabti 2x plus 5y is equal to 10. Akong ilisan si x, so 2 times value for my x, 5 minus y. Plus 5y equals 10. By distributive property, 2 times 5, 2 times negative y. 2 times 5 is 10. Minus 2y is equal to 5y equals, plus 5y equals 10. Kani 10, nabugtan ang 1. So again, combine like terms, dara. Ang wala na belong to the group, ibalhin to the other side. So you have now negative 2y minus 5, negative 2y plus 5y is equal to 10. Positive becomes negative. Negative 2y plus 5y, di man sila parsug sign. So you minus 5 minus 2 is 3. Copy the sign of the bigger number, positive. So positive 3y is equal to 10 minus 10, 0. To find y, divide both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. So y is equal to 0 divided by 3 is 0. So your value for y is 0. Then you solve for x. How to solve for x? Of course, unsa to kong gingon, gamiton ang katong gi-rewrite nimo nga equation. Unsa man ang gi-rewrite nimo nga equation? O dara, x is equal to 5 minus y. So unsa man nimo ilisan? Of course, si y, x is equal to 5. Pila may value ni y? Tara, 0. So x is 5. You have now the value for your x. Ano man na si x naman ay value. Next, we go to our conclusion. Conclusion. Oh, what is our graph? Of course, you already know. Intersecting. Asa man sila nag-intersect? Sa point nga value ni x, 5, value ni y, 0. What type of system? Of course, consistent and independent system. So, pareha sa 1 ug number 2, 8 points gyapon na siya. Ngano man, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, let us proceed to number 4. Si number 4, basin maglibog mo, pili lagi akong kana nila sa equation. So, unsa man imong pilion? So, equation 1. So, kung equation 1 imong pilion, mahimo na siyang negative y is equal to negative 2x minus 1. Kaya imo na siya ibalhin. Diri na. So, kay negative man na, we divide all terms in the left and in the right by negative 1. So, what remains is y is equal to negative divided by negative, positive. Negative divided by negative, positive. This is now your new equation. The value of your y is 2x plus 1. Now, unsa man to equation nga wani mo nagamit? O, dara. Sa equation 2. 2x minus y is equal to negative 3. Unsa gani mo ilisan? Si y. Unsa mo ilis ni y? 2x plus 1. So, copy 2x minus, place in the parentheses, kay minus man. 2x plus 1 equals negative 3. By distributive property, distribute ano sa negative. So, ang nabilin, 2x, negative times positive, negative 2x. Negative times negative, negative times positive, negative 1 equals negative 3. Combine like terms, you have 2x. Nya kani ibalhin. Pwede nimo ibalhin, pwede po dili. So kung dili nimo ibalhin 2x minus 2x, you have 0. So ang nabilin is negative 1 is not equal to negative 3. Ma'am, kung ako ibalhin, ma'am, kung imong ibalhin, the result will be, sa may nabilin diri, 0 is not equal to negative 2. So, mana imuhang answer. What can we conclude? What is our conclusion? Conclusion. What is the graph? Of course, y solution parallel. Solution set. Na by solution set? None. System. Pwede po no solution set ibutang ha. Inconsistent system. So, saan pag-check? So, 1 check, 1 check, 1 check, 3 checks, and 1 check. Pila na? 1, 2, 3, 7 points. Question. Next, number 5. So, number 5, very easy. Dili na ta mag-rewrite sa equation. Nga naman, nanam na siya. Ato rani, idiretso og substitute. Asa man? Sa y. So, copy 2 times your value for your y. Unsa man ang value sa imuhang y? Of course, nadya gisirkulan x plus 2. Then simplify by distributive property. 2 times x, 2 times 2. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 2 is 4. Is equal to 2x plus 4. Tipon ang tanang mga naay variable sa left side, tipon ang naay constant sa right side. So, kani si 2x, balhin. Nya, kani si 4, balhin dito kuyog sila ni 4. So, unsa na may tabo? So, we have 2x minus 2x is equal to 4 minus 4. 2x minus 2x is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Equal ang left o ang right side of the equation. What does it mean? It means that the lines are coinciding. Therefore, unsa man ang atong makonclude ani? So, our conclusion will be the graphs are coinciding. The solution, of course, kay nagsugod man sa sinugdanan, hangtod kung asa sila mahuman, infinite. The type of system, of course, dependent. So, saan pag-check? 1 check for the system, the solution, and graph 3. Then 3 checks, 6, and then maora. So, pila man tanan? Pila man diri? 6. So, pila tanan? For number 1, we have 8. Number 1, 8. Number 2, 8. Number 3, 8. Number 4, 7. Number 5, 6. Pila man na? 8 plus 8 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 7, 31. 31 plus, ito ba? 31 plus 6, 37. So, 24 plus 13, 37. 37 plus 3. Perfect score is 40. Ipa-record ayon ang scores. So, kung na mga questions, ask lang para ma-clarify. Thank you.